Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be playing Cookie Run Kingdom. So, yeah, I'm just gonna be talking, like you guys can watch or something. So, I have been trying to post, but I do have school and stuff. And there's not really a lot of things going on, but But I do have to play Cookie Run Kingdom every single day. Hashtag one of the, in my personal opinion, that's a good game. Look at White Lily Cookie, bro. Bro. And I always have to get my freebies, cause it's free and you can't miss out. Bro, that bingo, I love that. I used to think instead, you know how you get the bingo and you get the stuff? I always think if you get the bingo, you just get it either way. If you don't or you do, you still get it. If you pull items, I thought you could get that. But you can't. And they say go away. Low-key, I am sad though, but how White Lily Cookie did disappear and die. But, what happened to hashtag Shut Cookie. Did I see his new video? I don't know if it came out today or yesterday. I don't remember. Or maybe the day before. Yeah, I don't. Bro, this card game is so hard. Watch me play it. I first have to see, because, I feel so alpha and but what games do you else want me to play? Because I can play, I can't find any. You guys see the Hunter update? That low-key was pretty fire. They say go away. So this video is
wanna see my muscles?
Bro, I'ma swerve and I go to room. Yeah. Watch me play this, bro. I'm a cook. I did have it on auto because I didn't want to play it.
Can you handle the zest?
And this is dun 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 dun. Ooh, I want to scream my mic. That was probably a bad idea, but whatever.
Another ingredient.
Look at me go. Look at me and my army. I think I do get. I do get it after this one, if I remember correctly.
Another ingredient.
Loki, I have a dog. Hashtag me and my dog are in your walls. Not right now.
Back to the
9 a.m.
research.
or p.m. They say go away. Oh no. Oh, after this battle, I do pull stuff. Yes, I do. Me and my friend are gonna go see the new Mario movie.
Can you handle the zest?
But I am excited for Rosalina because, And they say, go away.
Another ingredient.
Dun 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 dun. Really quiet because I'm almost. Yes, I won. They say go away, go.
The doors are closing.
Keep on back, but watch it then. I was checking what time it was. Oh, bro. I didn't really understand that one. Because like I was reading it and like I didn't get what it was saying, so I just like kinda did whatever. Stupid boy, you keep on begging. I forgot to do a disclaimer. This is not. But like, you tell me what cookies you guys have if you guys want, or like what cookies you want. I didn't really get anything good on these. So. I just have to say it. Yes. Sometimes I do skip these because I just want to see what like costumes I get or like cookies, and like the matter of fact. Why'd I say that, bro? Wormball. I thought I was gonna get an epic. I mean, not an epic in Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a backflip. Woo! Oh yes, I need to see what that was because like I always get like things that something's in there and I thought it was like free stuff. So. I don't know why I looked in those if it didn't say to level them up. Oh boy. I want to play music, but I'm too lazy to get up. And I have my headphones on to record for this. I probably am gonna have to edit this also. My bad if you can hear breathing in the mic. I don't mean to. Dun dun dun. 私の髪あだんだんだんだん切れてる私 But low-key, if you do guys want more videos like these, please leave a like or subscribe or leave a comment. Not forcing, but look at it.
Can you handle the zest?
Look at me go. But like
another ingredient.
That's my friend that I'm gonna go watch the movie. But like we were talking also. I was trying to read it. Stop right there. Well, who you might be. Back at it. What will you do? Think, get that.
Can you handle the zest?
What if this video was 1 hour and I had to voice this?
Back to the research.
This would have taken like me so many days because I probably would have messed up what I was gonna say. But like, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day or night.